Hey, it's Brian Christensen with Dynamic Air Services, your heating and cooling specialist in Southern California. Today I'm going to talk to you about our signature installation, 20 SEER, variable speed, inverter driven air conditioner. What the heck is that? A 20 SEER variable speed inverter driven air conditioner is simply awesome and hands down the best air conditioner that you can put in your house. Most air conditioners that everyone has out there, they consume 100% of the power, whether it's a 75-degree day or a 105-degree day. They're designed to run 100%. This thing is great. It can run at a fraction of the power, consuming a fraction of the energy, consuming a fraction of your utility bill. It gives you lower costs, better comfort, better indoor air quality. It comes with a 10-year labor warranty, a 10-year parts warranty, and a lifetime unit replacement. You're not going to have to worry about this thing with 10 years with a dynamic signature installation inverter-driven variable speed air conditioner. We have these systems for as less than $150 a month. What are you waiting for? These things are the best thing that you put on your house.